Alright, today I'll be showing you how to replace the fuse for your cigarette lighter if your cigarette lighter's not working in your 2006 C-class Mercedes. My cigarette lighter wasn't working. I thought I'd have to get a new one. It's like 30 bucks for one. But I checked my fuses and I found out that one of them needs to be replaced that works a cigarette lighter. Alright, I'm in my car and I got this charger that lights up when you plug it in, and mine doesn't light up at all when I plug mine in. Alright, the fuses are just under hood on the driver's side of the car, and you just take this little pan off right here. If the car has it still, just turn it to the left, it'll pop up and slide out. And after that, the fuses are right under here. You just pop these two pieces down, and your fuses are right under here in this little panel. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's a 15 amp fuse number 47 right here. This one. And it if you want to, you can change it out with the other 15 amp fuse. I have a fuse puller right here to help me pull it out, but as you see, mine I tested it. I have a tester first, but I didn't have to do this one because I pulled it out and it was broken. Okay, after you put your new fuse in place, just put your covers back. You don't want your electronics getting wet, and you can go inside your vehicle and check your cigarette lighter. Alright, now the new fuse is in. I'll turn my key, and as you see, I'm getting power to my cigarette lighter. If that doesn't add anything to your cigarette lighter, no power, you'll have to replace your cigarette lighter, which is probably about 30 bucks if you get the Mercedes one. If you have any questions, comment down below and I'll get to them as fast as I can.